Hi, welcome to Mindful Trading. Today we'll review the 3-bar reversal strategy and take a trade. Okay, so here we are on our 1-hour time frame for EUR USD. I hope that you've been practicing looking for 3-bar reversals, and we have one here that we can see. So I can get my circle tool and mark it here. We can see that it's starting to form. So we noticed that the 3-bar reversal occurred around 12 p.m. And so what I did was set my alarm for 1 p.m. just to see if that is in fact what happened. So we always need to wait for the 3-bar reversal to complete. So we want to be sure that our 3-bar reversal signal is complete before we take a trade. And so it looks good from here, from the 1-hour time frame. So I'll go down to the 15-minute and we can look here to see what's happening. And we can see that it looks like we're in a downtrend on the 15-minute time frame. And so what we could do is go ahead and click our trade button like so. We want to take a sell, so we'll click the sell side. And we want to be sure that we are not risking more than 1% of our account. So if we look down here, we want to risk between 1 and 2%, so we could change this to 1%. So that we'd be risking 48 cents to make 52 cents. All right, and so that's like a 1-to-1. Okay, and it looks like our stop loss would be at 1.05238, and that would be right about in here. And so that looks like a good place for a stop loss. And so let's go ahead and click the sell button. Okay, we can see that our alarm has gone off. And we're close to the point that we want to start to think about coming out of the trade. So here's our 15-minute time frame. And we can see that price is starting to kind of push away from this area. So you could consider exiting the trade now. But now I see price is starting to continue down a little bit more. So let's see what happens. It looks like we're going to make it. And you also have to account for spread sometimes. Okay, that did it. So it looks like we're out of the trade now officially, which is great. All right, so we're successful with our 3-bar reversal on the 1-hour time frame. We waited for the 3-bar reversal to complete. So here's our first bar that happened at 10 a.m. Our second bar happened at 11 a.m. and the third bar was at 12 p.m. So we set an alarm for 1 p.m. to see what price was doing, and that's when we decided the 3-bar reversal was complete and we could take the trade. And we held the trade for about 52 minutes. Okay, great. All right, good job. Continue to practice. And this is a good example of waiting for our setup. So our setup is a 3-bar reversal. So we wait to find that setup, all right? And that's part of what trading is about, is waiting. Well, I hope that you learned something today, and this is a great review for you. Please remember to like and comment below. Let me know what you learned today, or if you learned anything new. Also, let me know if you'd like me to cover something different. Leaving a comment helps our channel to grow. But if you'd like some help one-on-one and you'd like a virtual meeting, be sure to email me and I'll be happy to work with you. And please let me know in the comments which is your favorite. Which do you prefer, and what do you look for most often? Thanks so much.